Birds?
Birds. Birds. Hey, birds!
Ano sabi ng birds?
Tweet.
O, drawing ka naman ng dog.
No. Laban.
Ano sabi ng dog?
Ow.
Good
Dog.
girl.
Dogs.
A is for apple.
Dog.
Again. A is for apple.
Apple.
B.
Ball.
B. C is for cat. D is for dog. O, dali. D is for dog.
Dog.
E is for elephant.
Elephant.
F is for fish.
Fish.
G is for gorilla.
Gorilla.
Ano nga yung H?
C is for carrot. O, kanta ka dali. C is for carrot. Carrot ka muna.
Sipap.
O,
Sipap.
drawing ka ng lollipop.
Drawing. Book.
Buhok? O, sige. Ayos mo yung buhok mo. Ayos ang hair.
Oh.
Hair. Asan ang eyes?
Hi.
Asan ang nose?
Nose.
Pagpanis mo yan. Anong sabi ng horse? Anong sabi ng horse?
Yeah.
Anong sabi ng frog?
Kukak.
Anong sabi ng tiger? Anong sabi ng duck?
Kukak.
Duck?
Kukak.
Quack?
Quack.
Anong sabi ng cow?
Moo.
Good girl.
Little pig.
What's your name?
Little pig.
Be, what's your name?
Banana.
What's your name?
Drawing daw siya ng banana.
O, sabihin mo muna, what's your name?
Easy.
How old are you?
1.
Good girl. Pray ka nga.
Sisama. Amen.
Oh.
Casey, tingin ka kay mami. Ay, hindi ganyan.
Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes. Flying kiss mo ako. Wow, galing.
Hi.
O, sabihin mo dito, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.